Whoa! When you come down hard. Whoa! I put it in 0. So I've been riding it in 1. And I put it in 0 just to whack it like at 10 miles an hour, whatever I was going, and it just almost flipped over. And I wasn't ready because I didn't have my finger on the brake. And then I tried hitting the brake back there, and the front end comes slamming down. So you gotta barely touch the brake. What? Drag race! This thing's fast! Drag race? Alright, into the wind. Alright, ready? Yeah. I got it on 0. What I gotta line up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh! Go 30 with me. 32. But like, yeah, I can't get off the line. I think even on 1, like maybe if I sit on the front. Woo! Wait.
On that one, 'cause you got the front brake.
Alright, Max. I'm gonna put all my weight on the front end. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Hey, let's switch! Go down there while we switch.
Is that in mode 1?
No, that was 0. That's
That's 0?
but I had to baby it to get into it. These brakes work pretty good.
This one is so different than that.
Alright, what mode we in here? Alright. Oh wow. I feel whoa, the power comes on so smooth.
Put it in 1, and then I'll try 0 after.
Okay. Wait. Okay, wait, let me get even. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! That's mode 1? Oh shit. Alright, let's turn around here. Turn around here. I think going downhill I might have an advantage. Alright, mode 2. Alright, wait. 3, 2, 1, go! Uh-oh, he pulled! Uh-oh! How fast we going? 36? Uh-oh, you'll definitely beat me. Yeah, you can't get off the line. So it's a 100-pound weight difference between me and Max. Almost. Alright, we'll do a roll on. Next one. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Uh-oh, what? Because we got like 70-something% battery on this. Probably same on that. Hey Max, I think we need to soften this rear shock up a little. Maybe not. Seems a little stiff. Alright, let's go from like a 4 or 5 mile an hour roll. Alright, we'll just say 3, 2, 1, go.
You got the horn?
Where is the horn?
Yellow button.
Okay. What, when I hit it or second hit?
Yeah, go 3, 2, and then on the beat.
Alright. So that's fast enough?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! You're smoking me! You just dart away from me. What?
I didn't realize how torquey it was until I touched that again.
Yeah. You just dart away from me. Yeah, I think maybe we put a mountain bike shock on the rear. And the slapping on the forks is when the forks fully extend. It's not, like if you do it real fast, especially when it hits bumps. But, you know, there's probably there's no cushioning up here somewhere, wherever the spring is. That's cool. That one I think is more fun to ride.
Yeah.
It's got more power.
Yeah.
Hey, Sur Ron's cool and all, but that one's fun.
You got so much torque.
It's just like